Hello and welcome to Scratch Week 2023, the CodeHS challenge called Teach with Scratch. As you may know, Scratch Week is an annual event that Scratch puts on in order to celebrate the wonderful and exciting and fun creativity that students can experience by using Scratch to create programs. And we want to issue a special challenge this week to have you use Scratch to teach an idea, a skill, or a concept through a program that you create in Scratch. And this could be something that you're learning in class. This could be a favorite activity or a hobby or an interest of yours that you're going to be teaching to someone else who's going to use your program. We encourage you to make it interactive. So have the user touch and interact with your program as they learn. Here's an example program from a CodeHS lesson where changing the vibration rate and the vibration strength of the sound waves will cause something different to happen in the program, and the user gets to interact with it in that way. Here's a reminder about some blocks that you'll probably want to use for an interactive program. You're going to want to use these events blocks, such as when the green flag is clicked for code that you want to run at the very beginning of your program, the when key pressed block if you want the user to use the keyboard, and the when this sprite clicked if you want to use clicks or taps for interaction with your program. Entries are going to be judged on creativity. Are you using stories, animations, things that really bring your program to life? Originality, which means are you doing something new? Are you teaching in a unique way? And fun, is it enjoyable to learn using your program? Winners are going to get a BBC microbit, which is a programmable microcontroller that you can actually program using Scratch. When you go to share your Scratch program, make sure that in the notes section you add your first name, your grade, and your teacher's email address so that we can contact you if you're a winner. You'll click the copy link button and then copy that link into the Scratch Studio for the CodeHS Scratch Week 2023. And then we'll get to receive and view your entry. You'll find out all of this info and the links to that studio at codehs.com/scratchweek2023. So join us, and we hope to get to celebrate Scratch Week together with you.